like a dog all day, ain't working for me. I wish I had a red shovel that had kicked the bucket and I was sitting on a pile like Warren Buffett. I know everybody says money can't buy happiness, but it could buy me a boat. It could buy me a truck to pull. It could buy me 8110 house down with some silver bullets. Yeah, well, I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Maybe so, but it could buy me a boat. They call me redneck, white trash, and blue collar. Well, I could change all that if I had a couple $1 million. Well, I keep hearing that money is the root of all evil, and you can't fit a camel through the eye of a needle. I'm sure that's probably true, but it still sounds pretty cool. 'Cause it could buy me a boat. It could buy me a truck to pull. It could buy me 8110 house down with some silver bullets. Yeah, well, I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Maybe so, it could buy me a boat to float down on the water with a beer. I hear the Powerball lotto wheel sitting on 100 million. Well, that'd buy me a brand new rod and reel. And it could buy me a boat. It could buy me a truck to pull. It could buy me 8110 house down with some silver bullets. Yeah, well, I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Maybe so, but it could buy me a boat. Yeah, well, I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Maybe so, but it could buy me a boat. It could buy me a boat.